In comparison to when I first started and we were working on the skins and the bananas, working on someone's head, I think it changes it up, and that's what's increased my confidence.
You're understanding and visualizing exactly what he wants.
LDRSMP has been amazing. I've learned everything off them, and anyone who's interested in doing it should 100% go and do it, and especially with Jay and his team here.
The challenges I faced was I wasn't sure if I was applying enough pressure or if I was applying too much pressure, but with the support of Jay and Gets, they were able to guide me and show me exactly how much I needed to do and how much, if I was doing it right or wrong.
They're really hands-on. You're always supported throughout the way.
Before booking in for the course, during the course and afterwards, it's like you become part of this SMP family and they really support you. So yeah, I'd say absolutely do it. It is so much fun and it's a really good couple of days.